So I already started, as you can see. I'm in my jammy jams. It's late at night. And I was like, let me record this. I'm giving you real life. You know, this is me. I do. My hair was already washed and I just air dried it in some twists, took them out. And so I'm just going to spritz my hair. It's just water and some conditioner. So diluted conditioner. Just to soften the hair so it's easier to work with. So what you want to do is take a piece of hair. Okay. I do sections about this size so you can see. Okay. You want to go ahead and pull that hair on back. Then I have a 3-step system, okay? So I start off with a moisturizer. I use my Ebin Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream. Their coconut shea one. Love this stuff. I go ahead and put that in my hair and make sure you always moisturize your end. The next step is some shea butter, and you want to put about that much. Go ahead, warm that up in your hands, and then again, starting on the ends, you want to add some gel. I go ham on the gel because I really want to make sure it sets. I want to make sure that definition is popping. Put a little extra on the ends because you want your ends to be smooth. That's the key to getting a really nice defined twist out. Use my Denman Brush to detangle it, get the product through evenly. And you can see here that it's already starting to get defined and clumping up. You want to start with your flat twist. Take 2 pieces, split it and get in half. And then you just crisscross. Then you want to grab some new hair and then crisscross again. From this side, you want to grab some hair, crisscross again. And you keep doing that all the way down. And make sure you take your time. You want to be gentle with your hair. You see me kind of detangling it through as I go down, like so, and then keep on doing that. Okay, keep going down, and then make sure you keep that nice and tight right there too, and then I want to just make sure it's really smooth and detangled, so I give it another brush through. And as you're twisting down, twist the individual piece. Okay? That'll give you even more definition. And so I leave the ends. I don't twist all the way down because that part I'm just going to allow to wrap around on itself. And then you make your Bantu knot, little buns. Okay? And you're just wrapping the hair around itself. Okay? And then you keep wrapping to the very end. And there you have it. And it's so nice to be able to switch up my hair in peace. Sometimes when you go to work and just the things people say and the questions you get asked, you know, I love moments to educate people. I definitely don't shy away from that. But sometimes it's just like, oh Lord, seriously? Did I just get asked that? Y'all know the questions like, oh my God, did you cut your hair? No, I didn't cut my hair. And like, it's so interesting because you work with these people and they've seen your hair in its natural state before. It's like they completely forgot about it after you had the braids in. I'm like, ma'am, same person here, don't you remember? My hair didn't grow overnight with those long braids. You don't always have to feel like you need to be the spokesperson for the natural hair community. I love those moments to educate people, but there are times when I'm like, oh gosh, I just don't even want to go through it today. I don't want to explain today. And that's totally fine. Others understand how much I love my hair and how much my hair should be respected. So that's kind of my thing. And if you see another natural sister with her hair, just take that time to give her a compliment. Have that camaraderie amongst one another. We definitely want to continue to promote positivity around our look and who we are, and you know, to take that little bit of time to say, oh my gosh, I love your hair and how it looks, you're beautiful. That could really make someone's day and really encourage them to embrace who they are. Okay, so I am all done with my flat twist Bantu knot combo. I am just going to like pick up some of the excess, and this will also help it dry faster. Good morning. So I have had these in, I didn't take it out the next day. This is actually the second day. So I am going to unravel all of these. I'm already getting excited, y'all. Okay, so now that we have unraveled all of the flat twist Bantu knot combo, we are going to fluff it out, okay? Fluff it out at the root. Yes. And I'm just going to put just a little bit of oil to add some sheen. I just added water to my hands, and I'm just going in and just massaging the roots to get some fluffiness to this. Okay, so now that we fluffed it out a bit, so I have decided on my style. I'm going to pull this back and then just have this going to the side like so. My Ebin Tamer. You can follow me on Instagram at Adia_Sherelle so you can see how I switched it up, different hairstyles. You can have it to the side, you can pin this up, you can pin both sides up. I'm just going to pin it with a bobby pin. I'm just going to put a straight pin right in the front, and then I'm going to lay it with a scarf. Ready? And make sure you don't smush the curls. Yeah, make sure none of the curls are trapped in the scarf. And I will be back. So she is all finished. What do you guys think? Please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get more makeup and natural hair looks. And make sure you press the notification button because you want to know when the next tutorial is coming. Okay, friend? See you soon. Bye.